Welcome to my channel. My name is Silenthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with SilynthiaBudgets and vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebie down below so you can grab it if you'd like. I wanted to go ahead and stuff some more savings challenges. Came into a few more dollars. And we have $5, $10, $15, $20, $25, and I do need to get change. And let's just speed through this. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do our freebie savings challenges. All these savings challenges are freebies either from our shop, which usually we have in our community tab or we release in a video. And then also I have some freebies from some other YouTubers. So we have the money here. We're going to shuffle these cards because we don't have a lot of money. I did take out some of the misfortunes and charms and things like that. I think we are safe to do 2 cards. I wanted to pull the cards today because I want all of my savings challenges to get some love. It's nice to complete them for sure, but I want to also work on the other savings challenges. All right, so we have one more savings challenge back here that did not get any cards. So we're going to have to come back to her. And I really, really hope that I don't forget because that one's been sitting in there a while. All right, so this one is a misfortune flip again. So we're not going to mess with that one just yet. So we have $3 here. All right, $2, $3, $3, misfortune flip again, $3, all right, so what we'll do with the rest of these cards, because we know there's not going to be any misfortunes because none of these are misfortunes, but what we can do is pull 2 cards for this one, $3. Finally getting this one going. All right, and then we need to go back to our misfortune. All right, so we have $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope. See, do we have a dollar there? Nope. Let me put the $4 back here until we can figure out how we're gonna make that happen. We can change. Let's see here. Let's get the other misfortune out of the way. Where are you? Oh, there it is. All right. Let's see. $2. So $5. Boom. Okay, I think that was all the misfortunes, and I think we need to figure out how we're gonna get. Nope, we're just gonna have an IOU unless I can find another dollar. I'm gonna have an IOU because this one it owes $4, not 3. Okay, I mean, I kept going like I was grown, so that's what happens. So at least it's only $1. Oh, can you believe that? Okay, I gotta do better. $1. Perfect. So we'll go ahead and color in 3 though, because I like to see the progress here. And what color should we use? Let's start with green. It's like a greenish. 1, 2, 3. So this one has $1 IOU, and it only needs 2 more bucks and then it'll be completed. So that's really cool. So we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, and here's our IOU, which I need to make sure is in the front. Hopefully I won't forget it's there. I didn't think that through. Okay. Alright, so we have $3 going into our holiday savings challenge from SilynthiaBudget Creations. And I did forget to mention, this savings challenge that I just colored in is from Budgeting BZ, for Peace of Mind. And I will link the channels down below. Alright, like I said, this one is from our shop. 1, 2, 3. We're getting close on this one. We're getting close. It's taken a really long time. But making progress nonetheless. Alright, so we have 20, 25, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, $41? What? Alright. Next up, we have the Princess and the Frog, Believe in Magic from Simply Tea Plans, getting $2. And now this savings challenge has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Looking good, getting close. I was hoping to finish a savings challenge or two so we can go ahead and move forward with some more of our New Year's savings challenges. Alright, we got $3 going into our back to school savings challenge. 1, 2, 3. Oh, one more. One more. And this one will be completed. Alright, so we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 bucks. Alright, and this one is the one I added just the last time we came together from Hot Beauty Budgets. And we are adding 1, 2, 3. So how I decided to do this savings challenge, because it was each image was $4. I'm just going to make each image $1. So 1, 2, 3. Alright, so now we've got $3. Man, I need to get my Letterboxd savings challenges started. Alright, and the next one is our Happy New Year's savings challenge, which you should find linked down below. We're adding $5 today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now we have $5, 6, 7, 8, $9. Just need one more, and this one's completed. Alright. So our next savings challenge is getting $3, and this is our Wicked savings challenge from Suns and Roses. And let's go ahead and color in 3. Yay! Now this savings challenge has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bucks. This savings challenge actually has higher amounts, but I went ahead and changed it to work for my budget. So finally, looks like Baddie Bankroll is getting some love today. We're adding $3. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. This one was, it keeps coming around every time I set up my camera, but it wasn't getting no love. So that's why I said I better do my cards and figure this whole situation out. Alright, so we've gone ahead and stuffed all of our freebies. I will link the ladies down below where I did receive those free savings challenges. And like I said, from our shop, they're typically listed on our community tab, or we'll release them in a video. And sometimes we release items that are in our shop or going to be in our shop at some point as a freebie, but that's typically done in a random video. So anyway, that's it for now, guys. I want to thank all of you so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.